Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my method is review. As you can see now, I already logged into the training, everything go over here. So in this video, I will give you a full demo exactly what you're getting inside of the training. If you know method is but you're not sure what you're getting inside the training, in this video here I will cover everything you need to know about the price, about the sale pay, about the upsell and downsell on any discount you might have. I will cover everything in this video. Okay, so in a nutshell, method is a training course that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way with paid traffic. Okay, with paid traffic. So this training created by Mark and James. They are 7-figure affiliate marketing. And so now they are sharing the way they do affiliate marketing to you. Okay, so this training you're gonna learn everything about the paid traffic the right way. You can see here, this is the Mark is plan here. You see here they will show you how to find the keyword that's low CPC and high CTR, high of the click. So this is they're gonna show you do that, and then you're gonna send traffic to Optum Phone on unit bridge pay. Then you collect email from your customer. Then you're gonna do Microsoft Ads or Google Ads or even Bing Ads. So that's really powerful and very detailed for anyone. So if you are new to this training and you consider that you want to choose this training or not, so because that's paid traffic, right? So if you have little budget, and this training absolutely for you, because here they will show you how to find the keyword that they have low CPC and high control, high click. So if you have little budget with the training, you're gonna need this, and this will show you how to the right way and then make sure you will get result. Okay, so right, that's basically about the training. Okay, so I also put ton of custom bonus that I would like to give you, hold the bonus that I prepared that will help you out if you took this training with my link, and hold my bonus will help you go faster. Okay, so if you wanna check out, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page, look like this. Okay, then you click to any orange button in my bonus page here, it will take you to the sale page of the method is right here. Then you click to any orange button here, then you are good to go. Okay, so in this training they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product after 30 days, you can ask for money back, and you will keep hold of my 14 high quality bonus, which I will show you just a little bit later. Okay, so right, so if you want to see this page here, click to the first link in the description of this video. Okay, then it will take to my bonus page here. Click to any orange button here, you take you to my to the sale page of the method is. So right now let's spend a little bit time in the sale page of the method is. You can see that it is making us 200 to 500 per day passively. Here how you can replicate our success with 30 minutes a day. Simple word, set forget system, no technical skill and no hard work. Watch this video, you can go watch this video over here. Okay, and the visual unknown revolution new method. Okay, this is everything explained about the training, but I love about that they have paid traffic, but they make sure that you get results very fast, and this for newbie. Okay, or also for the affiliate marketing. If you do affiliate marketing a long time but you don't get any traffic or you don't get a lot of sale, in this training you're gonna need, because here they will show you everything about the paid traffic. Okay, and they have 30-day money back guarantee. So it's really powerful. So this is some people talk about the method is, okay. And you see the result they got right here today, yesterday. That's really big money, okay. And this the two creator from the behind the method is using Musk and James. They will teach you inside the training that affiliate market 7-figure every month, okay. So right, so this is the self pay. Feel free to click to the first link, you will see this, okay. So right now, before we go to the folder about the training, I would like to show you the bonus. How you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page, look like this, okay. So hold the my bonus here. I spent a lot of time put everything together, so I hope I know this bonus will help you do affiliate marketing very fast, okay. You see here that I have prepared for you my 14 high quality bonus that I will give for you, okay. So in this video I will show you everything, and I will give you my bonus as well. So let's see the bonus number 1. I will show you do SEO keyword mastery. So this bonus I will show you how to find the honest and the most profitable keyword the right way. So guys, the SEO right now is really important. If you are new to affiliate, or even you are do affiliate but you're not sure how to do SEO, in this bonus you're gonna need, because right now every business need and every affiliate need, okay. And the bonus number 2, I will show you do AdWords retargeting to trade. Here I will show you do retargeting your audience, okay. So in this training they show you do Bing ads, they show you do Bing ads, Microsoft ads, and Google ads, but now I will show you how to do retargeting, okay. So here I show you do retargeting on Google, okay. And the bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing ads. Look, this training they also have the page traffic Bing ads, okay. But here I have include for you because I know this my Bing ads here is really gonna help you out with you're gonna boot this you're gonna post the product. You have include my bonus number 3 here too, so you can compare two together, so you know better in the Bing ads, okay. And the bonus number 4, I will show you the video marketing profit case. So here I will show you how to use video marketing to build 30 online business, okay. So here is video marketing is really important right now. Every business need video marketing. You know that every business need, every affiliate need. Right now you see any website right now they have video marketing, so that means video marketing is really high convert and very important, okay. So I'm not stuck in a bonus number 4, okay. I have my 14 high quality bonus that I want to get you everything you got over here. You see here YouTube channel SEO and review blogging and a lot of more right here. Right, number 1 on Google, less than 24 hours, okay. So I have everything for you here, my 14 high quality bonus that I would like to get you, okay. So after you post the product, how would you access to my bonus, right? So after you post the product, you go to the WordPress, then you go to your history part, your repost, then you go down here. There are little blue button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. So you click on here, you access to my 14 high quality bonus that I promise to you right here, okay. So you need to do that before my countdown time here. If my countdown time, my bonus will not available for you, okay. So my bonus here will stay here until 14 days, and if my bonus hit is this countdown time hit 0, my bonus will not available. So this product gonna be launched in the in the 30 October. So right now I'm making this video is 30 October. So this product already live. So by right now you're watching this video, you can go ahead, click to the first link in the description of this video, then you can go to my bonus page here, click to any orange button here, you go to the sale page and click to any button in the sale page here. You are good to go your way, and you will access to whole my 14 high quality bonus, and they have 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, you can ask for money back and you keep my 14 high quality bonus. Okay, alright, so that's everything about my bonus. So right now let's go back to the training. So this is the training inside member series right here. You can see once you log into the when you log into the training, this is the video welcome, and this is the overview from the training. You see here, this is she explain you how is the training work. Everything he explained right here is really cool. And you go to the method is case study here. They show you to they show you case study, and they show you in the Microsoft Ads. Everything to show you here, and here is get started. Everything, the main one in here and here and here and here. Okay, so here you can see here, this is basic keyword planning. So this is they show you how to find the right keyword for to do ads. Okay, and next one here is Bing ads. So Bing ads here, they show you how to do Bing ads. The Bing ads number 1 and part A, the part B, and the part C. They show you do Bing ads step by step, everything you got over here. Okay, and the next one here, set up your promote page. Here they show you do set up promote page. Here you can see here, choose a product, the license right, and do VSL submit for a bridge pay, and build a funnel, set up your follow up and campaign. There you see everything you got over here. They explain very detailed about everything you're gonna need to set up your promote page. Okay, and finally method is traffic. Here you get ton of traffic. You see here, create ads copy from the sale page. Okay, here show you do ads from the sale page, and set up your Bing ads with promote page. Directly link Microsoft Ads and scale with Google Ads. Set up your Google Ads campaign, and you see an additional traffic source. They show you the other traffic source, the top of traffic source, and the main they show you already do show you the main traffic from the Google and Microsoft, Bing ads, and a lot more right there. And also this in addition traffic. Okay, they show you other traditional right here, little black book traffic of traffic source. And here the bonus that they you post product, they also have the bonus they would like to get you in here, right? And you can join the Facebook group right here, or you can upgrade your product right here. Okay, so alright, so this is everything you're gonna get inside here. You can see that I explain everything very detailed about the page traffic in the Google, in the Bing ads, everything you got over here. Okay, everything you're gonna need to do to promote your affiliate marketing or any business. Okay, because here they explain everything you're gonna need. So right, so once you have problem, you click on here, you can send them, you can get support from here. Okay, all right, so this is everything you're gonna get inside the software, inside the training. Click to the first link in the description, you will see everything. Okay, alright, so right now let's talk about the price. What is the price for this product, right? This price is really important. I love to hear the price. You see here, front end methods is only $13. That's very cheap. Yeah, I think the value here, they got everything I show you here is very high quality value. So but the price is really cheap. Okay, you see here that only $13 you will access to everything I show you over here. They explain everything about the pay traffic, everything you're gonna set up your promo pay, and then method traffic and other traffic, everything you're gonna need here. But the price is really cheap. Okay, only $13. The method is where you will, with the principal high convert campaign, allow your customer to have high range commission flow into the bank account. This method will resolve a lot of pain point for strategy affiliate marketer looking for a clear, consistent approach to generate commission consistently. And they have few upgrade. Okay, you can upgrade later if you want. You see here the upgrade number 1 and method is fast track, $37. You see everything over here. And upgrade number 2 and method is the done for you package in $197. And method upgrade number 3 method is profit boost, $47. Upgrade number 4 unlimited traffic. Upgrade number 5 is method is license rights. Right, so that's everything about the upgrade. I think this you can go ahead to go here. After you post this product, you see result. If you have get result, I think this is, you can go on here. I love this because they are done for you everything. Okay, they are done for you everything. What you need to do, copy what they done and what already help them make money. Then you can copy it to you. Yeah, that's easy to make money after. So I think this is good to go after you post. After you put front end here. Okay, so I would recommend for that because they have done for you everything. What you need to do, only copy that. Okay, alright, so that's it, everything about the method is. Okay, so make sure I have my 14 high quality bonus gonna view is buy in a 14 day. By right now you watch this video, you can go ahead to post the product and you will access to hold my 14 high quality bonus. You see other people do video review but they only have 4-5 bonus in here. You can see in here I promise you I have 14 for the quality bonus. Okay, so you post the product right now, you access to hold my bonus as well. And that's everything I explained to you and everything I promise to you gonna get. Okay, alright, so alright guys, I hope this video helpful and already covered everything you need to know. And if you have any question, let your comment below. I love to answer your question. Okay, and if you're still here and you first time come to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time we upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.